Day 5, DLR. That's right, it's time for the DLR. Make sure that you have a pencil and then a way to correct the DLR. We're going to go over it. Remember, stop the video, then do it, then check the correction. See how you did. First one says, Dad begun to doze off in his chair after dinner. The word doze is correct. It means to sleep lightly, so don't be fooled by that. That is a real word. Number 2, my favorite dinosaur is the Stegosaurus, reported Anthony to the class. And we have numbered these words in alphabetical order. Remember, when we're numbering words in alphabetical order, we go letter by letter to see who goes first. Who's going to be first in line? Oh, it's me, it's me. You have to decide based on their letters who goes first, who goes second, who goes third. Do that for 3 and 4. And then number 5 says, does the underlined adjective tell how many, which one, or what kind? You know, several is an adjective. It is describing the noun students. But what is it describing about the students? Is it telling how many, which one, or what kind? Go ahead and do your very best. Answers. Number 1 says, Dad begun to doze off in his chair after dinner. First thing you need to do is you start with a capital D for Dad. Begun is not correct. It has to be began with an A. 2 is fine. Doze is fine. Off is fine. In his chair. Those are all fine. After is fine. Need to end with a period. That's 1, 2, 3. You have 3 errors in this sentence. Number 2, lots of errors in this one. My favorite dinosaur is the Stegosaurus, reported Anthony to the class. First thing, start with some quotes. Then capital M for my. Then favorite is fine. Dinosaur is fine. Is fine. The is fine. Stegosaurus is fine. But then you need a comma. I know what you're saying, Mr. McGow, it's a statement, but remember, when we're using quotes, statements get a comma, which is a weird thing that you just have to remember. Then you're ending the quote, but we're not ending the sentence. Now, Anthony reported this to the class. Anthony needs to be capitalized because it's a name to the class is fine, but then you need a period because this is the actual end of the sentence. This in here is the sentence that he says out loud, and this is the sentence that you would write. Let's count up how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 on this one. Now, alphabetical order, the first one is going to be garage is first. After garage is garlic. After garlic is gas. And then after gas is gas. Because gas doesn't have a letter after it, it would go in front of gasp. Number 2, the first one here, or number 4, the first one here is mink. Followed after mink is minute. Then it is mirror. And then rounding it off, misbehave. And then the final answer, how we still have several students. Several is a word for how many. These 3 last ones are all worth 5 points. Give yourself 5 points. Don't forget to add up score. Put it right up here. Nice work on the DLR today. That's it for the DLR. Hopefully you did a good job and you're keeping track of your score.